Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Another day in the market. Y'all know how I do. Same thing every week. Portfolio value at $54,760.17. I am down 28 bucks. The market pulled back, but look like it's gaining what it lost. Fighting back for the day. Still looking reddish for the day, but it is what it is. It's a good fight. Good pull forward. Buying power $1,377.43. Get your pens and your pencils and your papers, whichever way it go. Y'all get ready. Gonna give ourselves a raise. If y'all been following me with this ticker RHRZN, y'all can see I told you I had bad earnings on yesterday. I told you last night for y'all that do watch my market updates. I know I posted kind of late, but I'm a night owl. I told y'all we're gonna see how the market trade this stock. Because in the pre-market today, it was at $10.10. It looked like everybody just sold. But it got down to data $9.30. You see it's fighting back to the upward $9.74. This dividend, this stock just pays 11 cents a share a month. It's not about that. They dividend history, man. They increased their dividend too. So that's why I got faith in this company. Just saying, I always go by the dividend history, the dividend payouts before I even invest in any company. But I did buy, I was buying, I got up early in the pre-market, probably about 9:20. And I was up when the market opened at 9:30, and I watched this thing tank, man. So I was buying $20 here, $5 here, $10 here. So I brought it all the way down to like 9:40. Then I went back to sleep for about 45 minutes. Now I'm up. Got up about 11 o'clock. And it's time to trade. So technique moving forward, I'm buying the share, probably buying 2 shares of this every day at the daily low. I'm gonna give y'all the numbers to go in at, and we're gonna work it out, man. For if you ever wanted 100,000 shares, today is your best day. You could have got it earlier if y'all was watching, because if you trade this stock, you should have got a notification telling you that the stock was down. So anyway, I brought some, but I'm about to add more to it. I'm going in that $9.30, 2 shares. Just in case it pulls on back. I'll be there waiting on it. But I'm not really worried about it, to be honest. Gonna ticker PSCC. Prospect Capital, 6 cents a share a month. Going to get $5 worth for this. I brought some of this today at $5.20. It's the time to be buying this. Ticker TWO. Had bad earnings also. Not there. Sorry, y'all. There we go. They had bad earnings. Sometimes the dollar cost average down in this one. It's 2. AMDY. I remember this one. I brought some of this. Got down to $12.92. I'm buying AMDY at 13 and under. I got two shares worth today. At 13.04, I'll put $3 on it. Ain't tripping on that, but I do have my buy limit set. I brought some today in my Weaver portfolio at 11. In the pre-market, it went from 11.46 to 11.55. I brought 10 at 11.55. Then it opened up at 11.37. It dropped quick. I had about order in 11.46 for 3. Then I filled 2 more shares at 11.37, but it went down to 11.34 and shot up quick to 11.37. KLIP clip is in our buy range. This is accumulation stage on this one. Clip that got down to 11.34 today. That was clip that did that 11.55 to 11.46. The scenario I just was telling y'all, that was clip, not AMDY. I'm sorry. Or did I say that? But this is an unedited video. Anyway, 11.34 on clip. I already got my order in. Another one right here. How I'm doing the yield maxes, being that I know my marks. Make sure you put on 24 hour. I'm accumulating a share 2 a day at the $12 and under. And when it goes above the 12, 12.20, 12.40ish, I'm going to sell it. But I'm going to keep my remaining shares for the dividend. That's how you lower your average cost in it. Seems like this got the same pattern every month. Rinse and repeat after the ex-dividend date. So that's what I'm doing. I did that with OARK and ULTY. USOI. This is definitely in the trading range. Today is green. But still below the $65, $67 range. So you want to ride it on up. OXSQ. 2 shares a day. It's at 288. Like I tell you, it's been trading sideways for the longest. It's your 2 shares a day. Like I tell you, I'm going to swing trade this stock. Another one riding on up you want to be aware of is ORC. Reason I say that is today is the ex-dividend date. Well, tomorrow is, so you need to get your shares in by the day to get your monthly dividend. This stock gonna tank after this. So it should go lower. When it go lower, I'm gonna buy in. I already got my buy orders in at 763, 767, 780. 775s, all like that. So while you're sleeping, it'll go in and fill it. But this should tank after 2 days. So I'm monitor this one. Still not a bad day to buy. This a buy at $8. Definitely a buy at $8 and under. USOI. That was OXSQ. That was ORC. We're gonna go with IVR. It's the one I was giving y'all, pay 40 cents a share quarterly. It's definitely gonna go back above the $9 mark easily. I'm buying shares in my Webull portfolio, fractional shares in this one. All right, we did IVR, ORC. Western Union still beat down. They getting beat down because they lowered its price target. They lowered it to $12, then they lowered it to $11. This gonna shoot back past 12 easily. I think so. 14.19 is the high. The low is 10.75. Still does pay 8.38% dividend yield. 10.80 was the day. So at this rate, buy some fractional shares in it. Go in dollar cost average. That's Western Union. Oh, another one came down today in my buy range. KHC. I done brought my $5 worth today, but pointing this out to y'all. Or this Kraft Heinz. 33.72. My average call 33.92. So it's in my buy range. Accumulate some shares. Dividend yield 4.55%. Market cap 41 billion. 52-week low is 38. Well, 52 high is 30.96. Low is 31.08. So time to accumulate some in this. So I already got my $5 for the day on that one. UAN. CVR of Partners. I got mine already. I like this at 70 and under. 68.39. I got my $5 earlier today. NKE. Nike, I got $3 of this earlier today. It's at $77. Lowest 70, 75. But I did get that today. Goro, swing trade, long term. Like I say, man, these companies catching hell, but when they selling, you need to be buying. I got me $10 worth of this today at 14 cents. This Nike. I brought some Bit today. This options on Bitcoin. I brought $3 worth of this today. And CHPT charge point. Got down to 125. Put my buy order in for 10 shares. As you can see, my average cost is coming down. I'm at 162 now. Charge point, put your buy order in at 122. I can see place October 30th. Well, that's at 124. I've been buying $10 worth with 10 shares a day. And that is let's check ARI. That's Apollo. That's taking off green today. Oh, AQN. Gave y'all this one yesterday. Utility stock, Algonquin. Get me a share of this every day. Going in at 478. You know, they trade 24 hours. That one. That's utility stock, buying whole. Everybody got to pay the utilities. And Ajax, another one I'm got to get down and swing trade. 315. Get 2 shares a day at this price. What is you gotta do, man? Trade, get in and out of your trades, man. It's time the market ain't gonna go in your favor. Sometimes companies gonna be good and economy goes bad, inflation goes up, interest rates goes up, and it be what it is, man. But you gotta know how to get out of them. And I'm here to help you. Leave a message in the comments if you need help. Need to lower my average cost on this one too. Also pays a dividend. It's an office REIT. Probably wouldn't be needed, but some people looking forward to going back to the office. They say the production from working from home is not like being in the office. Like I say, the market fight back, man. It's everything bullish, looking bullish. Right now we're just checking our traps. Make sure it ain't nothing we had missed. We got our Kraft Heinz. SBSW pulling back. I like this at like $4 even. I ain't messing with it if it's not there. I'm at $5.92. It's at $4.94. I did swing trade this one. You can see my buy limits at $4, 20 shares. This one I will be getting out of. That's why I don't mind. When the interest rate cuts happen, all that market value is going to be mine, but it's going to go up. I'm going to sell it above the $6 range. Even with Goro, it's the accumulation stage. But one thing about the market is you can sell in the loss and tax loss harvest. Got Intel down. Perfect time to add on a couple of fractional shares there. That's a buy and hold forever stock. I don't care what nobody say. I think somebody gonna end up buying the company out. Got our 2. We got our UAN. We got KLIP. We got AMDY. Got Misty came down to 2 point something %, but then fought his way back. Walmart I got on recurrent. Well, this waste management here. I got on recurring. Let it do a thing, buying this $1 a day. I'm up 2.8%. No reason to bother that. And I brought a little fractional share of this PYPY. I add a little dollar onto it. I'm gonna do it again right here with y'all. This pays a nice dividend yield too. PayPal. And that's it, man. Y'all watching the recent videos, man. And keep your eye to the market. We're gonna get on by, make it on through, man. HRZN went down, but we ain't tripping on that. That was a good thing and a good deal. Forgot I got YMAX too. 1762. I'm up. See, I just do $1 a day, y'all. I got my thing on recurring. It buys $1 a day. It did buy a full share. I charted and I buy a share, but it's gonna be way low the average cost. And as you can see, I'm up 1.72%. Let it still buy $1 a day, and I get a dividend every week. So, let's check one more AGNC. AGNC. And check ARR. AGNC. $9.51. Not a bad time to lower your average cost, but it's kind of high. I like it at $9, but it's not a bad time to do it. Reason I say that is this is gonna shoot back back to 10. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to swing trade this $9.51. Right now, it's not a bad price. It pays a dividend of 12 cents a share. It's definitely not bad for now. I'm gonna swing trade everything I'm buying right now. When it get, I think it's gonna surpass the 12. I am thinking actually these interest rate cuts. I'm a swing trade it, but I might just hold on to it then. If I need fat cash or some funds quick, I'm a swing trade it and scalp the profits. Like that. Far as the shares I brought buying at $9.50 and under, when you get above the 10, 11, 12, whatever it's at, I'm gonna just whatever how many shares I brought, I'm gonna sell them to get some money back. This another one, 1824, 1894. This went at. This pays a dividend of 24 cents a share. 24 cents a share a month. Sorry. Yep. So I brought this. I just sold some at $19.13 that I brought at $19. I had like 40 shares, so something I just lowered my average cost with. But in my Weeble portfolio, I'm sitting real good. I got damn near 300 shares with an average cost of $19.30 now. So this gonna go back above the $20 mark. Got a 52-week high of $21.93. It's gonna go above the $22 as soon as they start cutting these interest rates. But a nice time for the accumulation phase. 1894. I'm gonna just go in anyway today. One. It's another one you can Swing trade. Buy the shares now. You can sell them later. And you can collect that 24 cent a share a month dividend. That's why I say I like the swing trade dividend paying stocks. And you look at the volume, it's almost to $1 million. On certain days it is $1 million. One thing I like about ARRs now, its market cap is above $1 billion. So I like it. All right, signing off. Go get your money.